Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOCOM EX wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to, get a fresh start on these earbuds, delete all the pairing history so you can pair them again like they're brand new coming out of the box. We can do this, it's really easy. You just need to put your earbuds in the case with the lid open as shown here, and make sure you've got a decent charge on them when you do this. And then all you got to do is come in and press and hold simultaneously the button on the back of both of the earbuds. So after 6 seconds, it will go into the pairing mode. So it will be flashing, the case will be flashing in blue. Just ignore that and keep on holding, keep on holding. And after 20 seconds, the light indicator will start to flash red. So once the light indicator on the charging case, at the bottom of the front of the charging case, has flashed red 5 times, it will turn off. You can let go. These have been fully reset. You can take them out, turn them on, just set them up. Basically, it's like you're opening them for the first time, setting them up and pairing them to your device.